In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to an image in Figma. By the end, you'll be able to click an image in prototype mode and jump straight to an external page, which is perfect for portfolios, case studies, or linking to live resources during handoff. Start with the image selected on your canvas. Right-click directly on the image to open the context menu. From that menu, choose Create Component. Turning the image into a component makes the interaction easier to manage and reuse across your file. You'll know it worked when you see the component styling around your selection. If your image is already a component, you're good to go and can continue. Now move to the prototype workspace. At the top right of Figma, switch from Design to Prototype. This changes the right-hand sidebar so you can set up interactive behavior instead of visual styles. In the right sidebar, find the Interactions section. This is where you define what triggers the interaction and what action happens as a result. With your component still selected, open the Interactions controls so you can add a new interaction. Set the trigger to Click. This tells Figma that when someone clicks the image in a prototype or shared preview, it should perform an action. Click is the most common choice for linked images and keeps things intuitive for viewers. Next, look for the Action dropdown. If it currently says None, open that menu. From the list of available actions, choose Open Link. This option is specifically designed to send users to an external URL rather than navigating to another frame inside Figma. You'll see a field to enter a URL. Paste your link into that field. Make sure the address is complete, including the protocol, so it looks like https://example.com. Take a quick moment to confirm there are no typos or extra spaces. A clean URL ensures it opens properly when tested. Time to test it. In the top right, click the Preview or Present button to open your prototype. When the preview window appears, click the image you just configured. If everything is set up correctly, your browser should open the link in a new tab or window depending on your settings. That's all there is to it. Right-click the image and create a component. Switch to Prototype. Open Interactions. Set the trigger to Click. Change the action to Open Link. Paste your URL and preview to test. Save your file, and your linked image is ready to share.